Sofidel is one of the largest manufacturers of paper products in the world, but it's primarily known in Europe, specifically in Italy, where the company is based. However, the toilet tissue and paper towel maker is making major moves in the US, where market leaders like Kimberly-Clark, Procter Gamble, and Georgia-Pacific dominate. Last October, Sofidel announced plans for a major US expansion to meet growing demand, particularly in the South. The company knew it was going to expand capacity at one of its 14 production sites. It just didn't know which one. Well, about 2 weeks ago, the Lucca, Italy-based company behind the Regina and Kitten Soft brands finally made a decision, and it includes state-of-the-art equipment and a near billion-dollar investment at the company's integrated facility in Enola, Oklahoma. Sofidel is constructing a new facility to install a 75,000 metric ton Vahl-met TAD or through air-dried paper machine, along with related converting lines to make finished products. Vahl-met has been designing and manufacturing these machines for the tissue industry for about 40 years and has partnered with Sofidel for about 30 of those years. According to the company, these machines can produce a high-quality product while using less fiber than any other process on the market. The Oklahoma project also includes expanding the pulp and parent reel warehouse and constructing a fully automated finished goods warehouse with 100,000 pallet positions. The finished goods warehouse will install E80 Group technology, an automated intralogistics solution typically used by CPG companies for end-to-end automation from production to warehouse shipping. For example, laser-guided vehicles, or LGVs, will transport parent reels from the paper machine to the warehouse. The new buildings will add some 1 million square feet in Enola, and the total investment will reach $775 million. Sofidel expects the new machine to come online in Q2 2028. In just 10 years, Sofidel has become the fourth largest tissue producer in the North American market, which today accounts for 50% of the company's total revenue. It also holds a leadership position in the private label segment. Sofidel has made some aggressive moves in the United States, including the recent acquisition of Clearwater Paper's tissue division, which includes 4 facilities in North Carolina, Idaho, Nevada, and Illinois, as well as 4 Royal Paper facilities in Arizona and South Carolina. The company also expanded existing facilities in Duluth, Minnesota, and Circleville, Ohio. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.